Hello everyone! Kami po ay ang inyong aspiring Dogo flight attendant. If you are aspiring to become a Dogo flight attendant, do this with us. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. On behalf of your flight deck crew headed by Captain Alda with the First Officer Salameda and the rest of the team, we thank you for choosing Cebu Pacific, your airline of choice. We are Clover and Mama, your dog cabin crews. Gawin naman po natin in Tagalog. Alalapag lang po natin sa padiparang pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagdating sa Manila, samalan po ng bumubuo ng lipad na ito na pinungunahan ni Kapitan Alda sa tulong ng unang opisyal sa Alameda. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa patuloy na pagsakay at pagtangkilik sa Cebu Pacific. Maligayang pagdating, kami po ay si Clover at Mama, ang inyong dog cabin crew.